Welcome to Astropathshala, where education comes with great responsibility. As a leader, your goal is to provide a dynamic learning experience, creating an environment where students explore futuristic technologies while mastering science and math concepts. If you aim to transform your school into a center for nation building and nurture the nation's future, you are in the right place. Astropathshala is an ISRO verified space education STEM learning program based on NEP 2020, proudly presented by Astroverse. Our focus at Astropathshala is on hands on learning experiences, enabling students to learn by doing, fostering a scientific temperament, and developing an analytical approach to solving both scientific and real life problems. We aim to prepare our students for a bright future, contributing to the creation of a great and developed nation. Our innovative curriculum covers astronomy, space technologies, robotics, and artificial intelligence, empowering students with theoretical knowledge and hands-on projects like designing satellites, rovers, rockets, and telescopes. Major highlight is our collaboration with NASA and ISRO, allowing young astronomers to participate in real-time space exploration programs, igniting their passion. Astroverse has organized one of the biggest space hackathon worldwide, NASA International Space App Challenge. Astropathshala offers more than a program. Its comprehensive STEM solution opening doors to national level competitions like inter-school Hydrorocketry competition, space science Olympiads like Antariksh Vigyan Spardha, and national level space science exhibitions, enhancing academic experiences and fostering interaction with peers. But the excitement doesn't end here. Astropathshala goes beyond classrooms, offering schools Astro picnics at our Astrostops observatories. Imagine students spending an unforgettable night stargazing, observing planets, the moon, and deep sky objects, complemented by thrilling self-gaming sessions, making it both educational and entertaining. Astropathshala propels students into a world of endless possibilities. Over more than 35,000 students have embraced this cosmic journey. Now the time has aligned for you. Join us for a futuristic STEM learning experience. Welcome to Astropathshala, where we ignite curiosity and passion for science in the next generation's mind. Welcome to the future of education.